Today is all about preservation, and in a minute we're going to be giving you the chance to win some of POC's superb VPD protection. So POC has very much got your back when it comes to protection, and we're not just talking about the VPD spine air, but everything else, the arms, the legs, the knees, everything is covered by POC. So today we are giving away, yes, we're giving away a set of each of this kit. Right, let's start off with the knee guards, and we've got two different types. First up, the VPD2. So let's dive in. Now, the great thing with the POCs is that they offer a high level of protection, but yet at the same time, great freedom of movement. So these knee pads adapt to the shape of your body. However, under impact, the material stiffens to give amazing impact absorption. So what a stunning pair of knee pads these POCs are. Really simple, really neat, really well engineered. You're going to be asking me what a VPD stands for. Well, it's viscoelastic polymer dough, that tough material which hardens under impact. There's loads of really neat features on these knee pads. You can see there's an elasticated strap here, which means you can adjust these knee pads to the shape of your body. They're perforated, which means they're really good for heat and moisture control when you're riding. 4 different sizes, and they come in uranium black. So there you go, that is the VPD2s covered. And remember that the VPD2 is actually higher certified than the VPD AIR. Here they are, unboxing this. It's my first ever unboxing. Similar features, you've got that silicone strap in there, which holds the knee pad in place. I probably use these about 80% of the time on my e-bike. You can just pack them into your backpack or into anything really. They're easy to transport. But it doesn't just stop there. We also have the VPD AIR leg. And now these are relatively new, even lighter weight. And you can actually almost put these in your pocket. So these are great for single track trail riding. Again, all those beautifully well-made POC features like the embroidered POC logo there. Stretch fabric, really well ventilated. So yet another option for you to win today. Before that, I want to cover the downhill versions of these knee pads. Now, as you can see, the VPD2 downhills are a little bit longer than the VPD2s. Just about a couple of inches in it, but they also got a really hard protective shell on the outside there for when your knee digs into the rocks at 40 miles an hour. And that's the thing about the VPD2s is, you know, if you're traveling at big speeds and you're gonna be coming down from 40 feet in the air, then these are the units you need to be using on your body. Not only have we got the knee pads, we've got somewhere the elbow guards. VPD AIR elbow guards. Again, quite long length. So I'm going to try these on. These are a medium. I reckon I'm a large. You can just see the shape of these air sleeves. Do you know what? I think Jack, one of our cameramen, wants a set of these. But Jack, you're going to have to put your entry in. As are all of you, if you want to win a set each of these VPD AIRs or the VPD2s. So get your entries in when I finish this chat. So there you have it. We have our arms covered and we have our knees covered. Now, if you were to categorize it, I would say that the VPD AIRs, they're probably leaning more towards your all-day trail use, whereas the VPD2 knee pad, probably a good enduro pad to use. However, if you're traveling through the woods at 40 miles an hour or coming in from 40 foot in the air, then the VPD2 downhill is definitely the go-to pad for you. But it doesn't just stop there. We also have the VPD Spine T, which is a bodysuit, and it's a 3-piece system. Obviously this is fresh. It's a freshie. Let's get it open. So it's lightweight, 3-layer back protection, and it's actually really super low profile. Again, I don't think I'll be able to get a medium on, but as you can see, it's super skinny. It's not too bulky. Got some pockets in the back. Again, all those really well-made POC features embroidered, plus, again, that VPD, which stands for Viscoelastic Polymer Dough. So today we are giving away, yes, we're giving away a set of each of this kit, both the AIR and also the 2. So follow the link in the description below for your chance to win a set of this POC kit. So there you go. If you want to see some more videos, there's a great one by my colleague Chris Smith down at the bike park just down here, which is a great place for using the VPD2s. At the same time, there's the E-Trip in Mid Wales, which is great territory for the VPD AIR systems. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to EMBN if you've not already done so.